today's video, I am doing a video all about my hair products that I use and why I use them. So if you would like to see all of that, keep watching. Okay guys, so today I am talking about hair products. So first I need to mention that I am a licensed cosmetologist. I don't work in a salon. I actually do hair from home occasionally, not very often at all. But I do hair when I can. But so this is gonna be a very, I don't wanna say preachy, but I'm gonna talk about why you should, or why I use high-end hair products. So yeah, I use, for my shampoo, I use the Kenra Platinum Color Charge shampoo. I'll do a close-up. Kind of a crappy close-up, but so that's what it looks like. Okay, and so it has no parabens, no sulfates, and no sodium chloride. So basically what that means is it is not going to strip your color, and it is not going to strip the oils from your head. And it's going to put a lot of good oils back into your hair after washing all of the bad oils. And then I also have just the matching conditioner. And it smells so good. It smells like cotton candy. But, so those are the two I use, and I think price-wise, I think they're around $30, I think. $30 each. I know that's a steep for everyone I've ever talked to. It's a steep. It really is. I cringe every time I have to pay. I pay $20 because I get a deal, but it is a steep price to pay. But I just have to mention, so this is 31.5 fluid ounces, and this typically lasts me anywhere from 5 to 6 months, depending on how often I wash my hair. And whenever I used to use the drugstore before I was in beauty school, it would last me 2 to 3 months. So I mean, you're paying like twice as, maybe triple as much, but it lasts you so much longer in the long run. So it's kind of like you're buying wholesale. Like, you know when you buy like wholesale toilet paper so you don't have to buy toilet paper so often? That's why you buy this. I definitely recommend it. So before beauty school, I always struggled with my hair being very frizzy and very brittle and dry. And now I don't really have that as much. I do have the occasional frizz, but that's typically static. But I definitely recommend getting a high-end shampoo. It'll change your life forever. You know how when you go get your hair done at the salon and you leave and your hair feels super soft? That's why. But, so I will have everything that I use linked in my description below, so you can get this. Also, oh, I forgot to mention this too. This extends the life of your hair color. So if you get your hair colored like I do, this will extend the life of it. Like my hair color, honestly, it hasn't really faded, and I've had my hair done since March, I think, or no, end of February. So I've had my hair done since the end of February, and it hasn't faded, and it's April, almost May. So it really extends the life, and the only way you can have color-safe shampoo is if you get it high-end from a hairstylist or from Ulta. Those are your safe place. Anywhere else, it's probably expired and no good. So that's why I get mine. I would recommend Ulta because they do a lot of deals. I've heard they do like buy one, get one with Redken and stuff like that. So totally get that. And I love Redken. And then I only use a few hair products because if I use too many hair products, my hair just becomes an oily mess. But so since my hair is chemically lightened, which means bleach, I use a thing called Olaplex. It's called a hair perfector. but it literally strengthens your hair from any chemical services you do. I'll show you this, and I'll link this as well. But you use this about once a week in your hair, and you leave it in for, it says, a minimum of 10 minutes. I sometimes leave it in overnight because it seems to really help my hair, so I leave it in overnight. I've had my hairstylist, she puts it in, and she puts it in like hair product. But I do have some people who, they put it in, they brush it through their hair, and then they rinse it out 10 to 20 minutes later. But I definitely recommend this if you have lightened hair. Definitely do this. And if your hairstylist offers a Olaplex treatment, that's what they'll typically call it, I would recommend doing it. They're probably gonna make it really expensive, but if you're lightening your hair, you want your hair to be the best quality once it's done, and that's the way to do it. It will strengthen and it changes your life. Okay, so then the two hair products that I use in my hair are the Super Skinny Serum by Paul Mitchell. I'm not gonna zoom in on this one simply because it's just clear and it's really, like, you can't really read it. But this one smells like watermelon candy and it's amazing. And I put this in my hair when my hair is wet, and I just brush it through my hair. And the reason I put it in wet is because this product makes your hair blow dry about 10 to 15% faster. So that's awesome. And I've noticed that it changes. But with my hair, since my hair is already so oily to begin with, I typically keep it from about here down, and I don't put it towards my roots because then I'll just look very oily and it's not pretty. But with thick hair, I use about a half a pump to a pump because my hair is so thin. But I do have friends in beauty school who used like 3 or 4 pumps because their hair was thick. And then my last product is like a lotion for your hair, and it is called the iMovie Perfect Me. It's by Wella, and it's literally a lotion. And I use this whenever my hair is feeling staticky. I don't think it's gonna zoom. Whenever my hair is feeling staticky, I typically try and use this, and it really helps because it's literally like a balm for your hair. It's literally a balm for your hair. It's amazing, and it smells very clean. I like it. So my camera is going in and out of focusing. But those are all the products I use right now. I ran out of a few of them, so I can't show you those. Maybe I'll try and link them in the description if I can remember what I use. I change up my products so often that I can't really remember. But that is my video for you guys today on why I use expensive hair products and what expensive hair products I use. Oh, I forgot to mention prices. So this is gonna be about $14-ish. I don't know. All the prices will be down linked. I don't remember how much this was. I think it was 12. And then this one I think is like 14-ish. I don't remember. But I've had this for about 1.5 years. And I've had this one for about 1 year. And they're both, like, I'm just now coming to the end. So they last you a long time. So I totally recommend them. But that's my video for today. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe and leave me some comments below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.